Right, so today you're going to learn 2 ways in which you can make a Gmail account, which is an account that you can use to make a YouTube account with. If you wanted to know how to make a YouTube account, just comment below and I'll make another video on that. So that's another topic. Also bear in mind that I'm going to be showing you guys 2 versions of this, the desktop as well as mobile. One of them will require you to enter your mobile number, but otherwise the other one will not require you to enter your mobile number. Alright, so you can skip any parts if you don't need to watch it then. And also it's the same for Windows, Mac, iPhone or Android, so you can create this email or Gmail on any of these devices. It's the same way as I'm showing you guys right now. So let's go ahead and get started.
Hi, what's up? This is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about the tech, whether they're tech issues, reviews, tutorials, unboxing and much more, and that all in one right here on this channel.
Right, okay, so first of all what you want to do is go on to the website called gmail.com. so you can see I'm writing it on the URL bar at the top, and then so once it's loaded, okay, so as you can see I'm signed in my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come out of this and try to go to the actual website for you guys to see how we can make this. So I'm going to log out from here, going to sign out of all the accounts. If you have any member of your household that has previously signed, you'll see all the accounts in here, but what you want to do is go to where it says use another account. Okay, you could either log into the account that you would like if you have it already. So like you're trying to, say for example, trying to log in but then you've forgotten the account. What you want to do is go in here where it says create account. You want to say create for myself, unless you're doing it for business, or otherwise if you don't have anyone previously signed into the computer, or maybe allowed it for to be allowed their account or maybe their password to be saved on this computer, you'll get this page after you wrote gmail.com. okay, so in here obviously you can't write Gmail or phone, whatever. You want to go on to where it says create account. So you want to say myself, unless it's for business, otherwise you can always select that option. So in here we can just write any name, whatever your name is. So I'll just write Tom, and then for the surname I'll write Tommy, and then in here I can just write anything, Tom, I don't know, 1, and then the Gmail is already written in here. I don't even have to do anything. This should be my email address, and then as soon as you press on password, if this was to be, say for example, Tom, it may not allow it because Tom might be already taken, but it seems like it's not. So we'll just go ahead with that. I'll just write the password. I'll just write anything. Okay, you can go next. Okay, so it says in here that sorry, the username must be between 6 to 30 characters long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write Tommy in here instead, and I'm going to write 1. Okay, and for the password it says choose a stronger password. So then it says try a mix of letters and numbers, symbols. So I'm going to try again, but first of all, okay, so I'm going to try again. I'm going to put the first letter of the password a capital letter. Press on caps lock on the keyboard and I'm going to put in the password. I'm going to say like L, with the first letter being a capital and then the rest a lowercase. Now I'm gonna give it 3 letters, and so it says to give it a symbol, and I can just give it like a hash. Alright, okay, so it has accepted T for Tommy123 at gmail.com, and now when I press next, they ask me for a mobile number, which obviously I'm not gonna give, but if you wanted, you can give your mobile number and then say next, and then that way it's gonna send you a text message which you need to go on your phone, and it will be like a 6-digit number. You need to put it on the computer, and then you're good to go. Alright, so now creating a Gmail address without you having to enter a mobile number. Bear with me, this should be very quick.
Right, okay, so now if you wanted to make a Gmail address without using your mobile number, then you can do so by going onto your phone and open the Gmail app. As you can see, I'm logged in with my current email address, but I'm going to show you guys how to make one. So let's go on the top left hand side of the screen. Go onto the top left hand side of the screen where
there are 3 horizontal lines,
and then go down, press on settings. Now in here you want to select add account, right, and select Google. Google is basically a Gmail account, and here it's asking me to enter my phone's PIN, then say next. Now you want to say create account, say myself. Right, let's just give it the name again, Tom for Tommy, name and surname, 01, whichever, 19, I don't know, 69, I can just choose any. That's not my date of birth, by the way. Neither is that my year of birth, it's just a guess. Female, and yeah, I'm a female. Say girl, hello. Next, so the username could be something, could be anything, to be honest. I'm just gonna write Tommy.123. hopefully it's gonna accept it. It says no, so I'm just gonna select whichever that it says is available. TT699489. Who on earth is going to be able to remember that? Go next, select any password. I'm just gonna select any that's easy, and once you said next, just click on skip, and then here we go, it says review your account info, and then just say next, just say agree to everything. Just to confirm, it says, you know, the Google account is set up to include personalization and everything. To say confirm, and voila, it's set. It hasn't even asked you for your number, so that's it. Just gonna cut in here, and yeah, that's it. That's how you make an email address, a Gmail address,
without using your mobile number.
I hope this works for you the same way it did for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on my next video.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, where I post daily on some of the other tech issues that you may have. You can also comment on my social media if you needed a quick answer to any of your issues, because my channel is all about solving your issues. Alright guys, so I just want to make this clear that whenever you guys are sending me DMs, which is the private messages to my Instagram account, it's not always the case that I could reply you as soon as possible, because Instagram has changed its messaging system. So there's 2 types of inboxes that you can have on Instagram. There's general, or there is the primary email, or message system up there. So if you actually send any questions that you have on the comments of any post that I have posted on the Instagram, that way I'll get a notification straight away on my phone, and then I know you got a question, then I can answer it as soon as I see the notifications, which is usually immediately after when I see the notifications. And last but not least, if you do have any idea about any other type of video that I can make for you guys that can solve any of your issues, then don't forget to put them on the comment section of this video.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you in some ways. If you're a new viewer, I would love to have you on here and hope that you subscribe and press on that bell icon. However, if you are a returning subscriber, please share the word by liking and sharing this video. Oh, and by the way, I do have some videos on the description box of this video, and all of my playlists listed are there as well. Take care.